Hey YouTube, hey Facebook. Welcome to Halifax.
Takeoff.
Hey again guys, how you guys doing today? Welcome back to another video. This is future Shane from when I shot this video. I was in Halifax taking care of some business and I decided that I would send my drone up. I spent a good portion of this video in concentration and not talking, so I'll supplement that out with a voiceover right now. So make sure if you guys like these drone narration videos that you let me know somehow with a like or a comment or somehow anyway. And thanks a lot.
It's not the greatest day out, but we're gonna figure it out. I just kind of ruined that shot. That's all right though. Where are we at? There we are.
So just in case you're wondering, in this video I am situated on the very north end of the peninsula of Halifax. If you don't know, Halifax is a peninsula.
All right, what else do I want to do here?
We're not going to go over too much with that, but I'm on the far north end of it in a place called Africville. Africville's in the news right now for not very good stuff, and we won't get into that much, but yeah, just wanted to let you know where I was in Halifax, so you can go check it out if you want to. This is what we call the new bridge. It's not really new, but it's new compared to the one on the other side of it, which you will see in shots coming up here. So if you didn't know, this is just a public boat launch here in Halifax. If you want to drop a boat in the water here, you can. And I want you to take note of something as we fly out over here now. You'll see three smokestacks off in the distance. Everyone from the area knows those as the power generating station at Tufts Cove. It's a famous landmark of Halifax. Anyone who's lived here their whole life is bound to know about it and talk to it with their parents when they were driving in the city.
All right, I think that was pretty cool.
One thing I wanted to be really careful of while I was here was, and you'll notice, looking around, there's all kinds of power lines. So if you guys are flying in an urban area, make sure that you're you're aware of your situation.
Just trying to think here. I don't really know what else I'm gonna do, to be honest with you. One thing I could do is I could do some screwing around in FPV here. I think I might actually do that. Let's get a quick picture of the bridge first. I didn't really mean to be recording that. Nothing above us, I don't think. All right.
Now you'll see that ship over there and that container pier, and you'll also see in other parts of the video where there's kind of just like a gravel bar out in the ocean there. That's what they call Fairview Cove. It's a shipping container terminal right now, and they're infilling that cove with plans of making it much bigger. I don't really know the plans.
I'm gonna chuck this in POV, or FPV I mean. So if you guys didn't know, what you do is you touch the three buttons up here, you go to control, and then you hit FPV, and it should be as simple as that. So let's fly around the park a bit, see if we can not crash. That'd be cool.
Yeah, they're planning on infilling it, the same as they're trying to infill Dartmouth Cove across the water there. Little interesting tidbit there for you. Oh, and by the way, looking across the basin there, I'm sure most of you guys who are from the area know this, but
oh, we're actually going to take a second.
Looking that way is towards Bedford, and looking back up towards the bridges is towards Halifax and Dartmouth. This is another thing that I'll mention here. So you'll notice that in this video I'm struggling figuring out what to do, and if I could give you guys a tip on if you're gonna get a drone and start to drone fly, it's to be deliberate. So make a plan, figure out the shots that you want to get or what type of flying you want to do, and stick to your plan. Because if you go to a spot like I did here today, which was just, you know, a last minute thing, but if you go without a plan, you're going to end up with shots that look like you don't have a plan. So it's always good to have a plan when you're trying to get shots for your drone video or whatever you're trying to do. So this is actually one of my favorite shots that I've ever taken with my drone. You can see a lot of Halifax here right now. You'll see the tall buildings in the back. That is well, like the top of downtown. It's not exactly downtown, but it's pretty close to downtown. Downtown would be like to the left, down towards the water out there, and it's kind of on the other side of a hill. But yeah, this is like the north end of Halifax, the quieter end of it.
Alright, this we're good. Let's find us. Make sure I'm not running into anything here. Where are we? Where are we? Oh, is that me? No, it's not. As I see the drone. It's kind of fighting the wind here. We're fighting the wind.
While I'm thinking about it, you'll see directly across the water from me, there's kind of like an institution-looking building. That building is actually called the Bedford Institute of Oceanography. It is one of the leading oceanography, ocean biography institute researchers here in Nova Scotia, and really, like in all of the Atlantic provinces, it's probably the biggest.
Alright, let's try going back in FPV mode. We'll do a little bit of flying around here. What up? Alright, I'm trying to think of what other shots I might want to get around here, and I can't really think of any. I should have maybe went a little bit closer to downtown, but that's alright. Alright, I want to try to get some shots of this building here. I'm not exactly sure where I am, to be honest with you. Over here somewhere. Man, I haven't been to Africville in a long time. It's really nice here. If you guys don't know, there was something kind of crazy that just happened here. I'm not really going to talk about it, but just know something a little crazy happened here recently, which is unfortunate. All right, where am I at? Oh, is that me? I honestly can't see me. There we are. There we are. All right, let's head over to this building here. I don't even know what the building is. All right, so we'll walk over here to this here building. A little windy. And we are actually going to turn off FPV because I want to try to get a cool shot of this building.
Battery level is low. Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
Alright, I guess that's gonna do it, which is unfortunate. Alright. It's windy, so let's bring this down. Alright, if you guys enjoyed this quick little fly along video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.